Have you ever wondered why some people snore like a freight train while others wake up gasping for air? Well, today we're diving into sleep apnea, a condition that affects so many but is often misunderstood. Let's set the stage for exploring the mysteries of sleep apnea and its impact on health.
Snoring. It seems like such an innocuous, albeit annoying habit, doesn't it? I mean, is snoring just an annoying habit, or is there more to it?
Exactly. And snoring can actually be a precursor to more serious sleep disorders like sleep apnea. It's when the airway gets partially blocked during sleep.
Right, but while snoring alone doesn't necessarily mean you have sleep apnea, the difference comes down to what happens with your airflow. In sleep apnea, the airflow is reduced or completely stops.
Hmm. So, kind of like if snoring is the warning sign, sleep apnea is when the real trouble starts, huh?
Exactly. And that's why understanding the symptoms and risks is crucial.
Did you know that sleep apnea can lead to severe health complications if left untreated? I was stunned to learn that it increases the risk of heart disease, stroke, and diabetes.
Yeah, there are a couple of types of sleep apnea: obstructive, central, and mixed. But they all share some common symptoms. Things like loud snoring, choking, or gasping during sleep, and even daytime fatigue.
Right, and what's mind-blowing is how often people overlook these symptoms or just chalk them up to a bad night's sleep.
Yeah, and recognizing these signs is the first step towards getting help.
Imagine waking up every morning feeling more exhausted than when you went to bed. That's the reality for many with sleep apnea.
There was this one story I recall, someone who finally got diagnosed and treated, and their life changed completely. They went from being fatigued and frustrated to feeling really alive again.
Yeah, and that's part of what we do here at Dumbo Health. Our whole mission is to empower better nights so people wake up to brighter, healthier days. It's all about making diagnosis and treatment accessible from the comfort of your home. So folks don't have to go through clinic visits or face judgment. It's like coaching.
And it's so important to have that support.
Quick note, this episode is brought to you by Dumbo Health. Dumbo Health is a modern telehealth service that helps people test for, diagnose, and treat sleep apnea right from home. No clinic visits, no judgment, just real care that fits into your real life. Their whole thing is getting you to breathe easy so you can live fully. If you're curious, head over to dumbo.health.
I think there's a lot of misinformation out there. Think sleep apnea only affects older, overweight men? Think again.
Yeah, a lot of people still believe that. But the reality is sleep apnea can affect anyone, young or old, regardless of weight.
Exactly. Awareness is so key because it helps folks understand they're never alone in this.
Let's talk solutions. What if the solution to better sleep was just a small change away?
Well, the breathing devices are often a game changer. They keep the airways open throughout the night.
Yeah, but beyond that, lifestyle changes like weight loss, quitting smoking, and even changing sleep positions can make a huge difference.
And those adjustments can lead to significant improvements in sleep quality and overall health.
Could the future hold a cure for sleep apnea? That's an exciting thought, isn't it?
Oh, definitely. Researchers are looking into some fascinating innovations, like new devices and therapies that could transform treatment options.
Yeah, and I'm optimistic about what's coming down the line.
So am I. It's a great time to be in this field.
Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of sleep apnea. It's so important to understand these conditions because they affect so many aspects of our lives. We appreciate you listening to the Dumbo Health Sleep Podcast. Take care and sleep well.